Mm.
Kailangan mo na pumunta sa
Very good. Mm. What are you doing, Siege?
Washing Lula's,
Okay.
washing Lula's clothes. Here,
More.
more. At the cacao shorts.
Ah.
Come on.
Ready to wash?
Okay, go.
Go, boy. You can do it.
Are
Yeah.
you tired? Huh? Not yet.
Patay ka, di balik ko sa... Magbuot mo. Reverse ni ako, ah.